Who are you sleeping? You're upstairs with nothing. My other things was there. How can I message you then? You block me on FB and Instagram. Nice perfume. It's not perfume. It's for the headache. Something that is menthol. The name of this one is white flower. When you get dizzy, when you travel or what, you didn't feel better, you can get a little bit amount of this and then you smell it or put it in your forehead just a little bit and yeah, it's makes you feel better because it's menthol. You can put it also in a hot water and then you drink it. Bom dia, Princesa Marvelposa. Oh yeah. What's up, Mr. Santos? Thank you for visiting me. Tell how I can message you there. Will you sleep alone all night? Yes. Yes, yes, Shell. Okay, bye. I'm going to sleep, alligator. I'm tired. Thank you, Mama Eli. Ay, Diyos ko, napakaliwanag yata. Mahal. Guys, visit Mama Eli also, guys, and please subscribe to her channel. Yata